So here it is, everyone, the 21 Chrysler 300 all-wheel drive in granite. These are a beautiful, beautiful car. It is beautiful. It's very well maintained, and I just want to go over some of the details. You've got your Chrysler grille and badging here. You also have adaptive cruise control, as you can see the sensors here, and there's sensors around the bumper. Coming around, you could see it's got beautiful tires and rims. You've got your signal repeater, keyless entry. This does come with the red, beautiful interior on here. So you get that two-toned with the S badge on there. That does have memory seating. This will have Android Play, heated seats in the front, heated seats in the back, turn dial, okay, and push start button. You also have the adjusting for the seats. You have the lumbar support and power seating. This is just the back so you could see, and it also has a panoramic roof, which is nice. You can see how well maintained. It looks like no one's even sat in the back. This leather is very well kept. Coming around to the back, this does have the Alpine speaker and subwoofer that comes with it, and you could see the badging 300S all-wheel drive, backup camera, of course. So here it is, the 300S 21 Chrysler. If you're interested, please give us a call at St.Albert Dodge at 458-8660. Thank you and have a great day.